It tells you to describe what the following people are doing using the suggested words to form the sentences. Before you start, look at the model carefully. You have the subject, which is Jacqueline. You notice how there's a slash there, and then it says parler à, and then it has le garçon français. So what you're trying to say is that Jacqueline is speaking to the French boy, or Jacqueline speaks to the French boy. And that means you have to change some of these components. So notice that parler has been conjugated with Jacqueline. You take off the ER, just a brief review on the ER verbs. You take off the ER and replace it with an E, with this subject, because this would be elle if it were a pronoun. Then there's a and there's le, and that makes a contraction into o. So Jacqueline parle au garçon français. So let's do the first one together. And you can ask me if you have a question, okay? Marc, what goes here? Parle. What goes next? Au professeur. And that's exactly like the model, isn't it? The changes are the same. It's parler, and it's the same exact thing as the model, which is very convenient. That's easy. Let's go to the next one. We're not finished. We still have 2 minutes before the bell, and I want you to be paying attention to this because they're not all that one. They're not all parler. Look down as you get further down. It's téléphoner, and look at être. You're going to have to change that one to match Jean-Pierre. Let's go to this one though. Le prof. I'm going to shorten it so we'll go faster. What goes here? What goes next? Parle. What goes next? Oui, this one, because this is plural, aux élèves. Let's skip down to number 6, because that one is être, irregular verb. So let's just, I'm going to abbreviate his name. Jean-Pierre. You want to say Jean-Pierre is at the cinema. How do you say that? Au cinéma. So this page will probably take you about 15 minutes to do. It might be 20, depending on how much you have to look up. But please spend the time it takes to do it right, looking at all the parts, and we'll go over it tomorrow. À demain.